News coming in from the state of Tamil Nadu now. There has been an explosion at a firecracker unit in Virudhunagar. 6 workers have died in this accident. Workers have sustained very serious burnt injuries. Chief Minister M.K. Stalin has expressed his condolences to the family members of the workers who have lost their lives. Tamil Nadu government has even announced a compensation. 4 lakh rupees compensation will be given to the family of the deceased. My colleague Shilpa is now joining me on the story. Shilpa, if you can throw some light, what exactly happened? 6 workers are dead in the accident, and from what we understand, this was a firecracker unit where the explosion took place.
Well, that's right, Ashwin. In fact, the accident took place around 8:15 this morning. This was a private firecracker manufacturing unit located near Satur in Virudhunagar district. And at around 8:15, when workers were engaged in their daily activities, we're given to understand from the local officials there that an explosion took place, possibly due to the mixing of chemicals, because they believe the explosion happened in the room where the mixing of chemicals were happening. And that is the initial assumption as far as the authorities are concerned. And due to the impact of this explosion, at least 4 working sheds in this particular manufacturing unit was completely razed to the ground, and 6 people have lost their lives. These are all workers of that particular firecracker manufacturing unit. In fact, it was a licensed manufacturing unit, is what the district collector told us. Those who are undergoing treatment also, they've sustained very serious burn injuries. And Chief Minister M.K. Stalin, just a short while back, expressed his condolences, and he's announced a solatium of ₹4 lakh each to the families of the deceased, and 1 lakh will be given to those undergoing treatment in the hospital. Right. That is the latest update that we're getting. But as far as these accidents are concerned, it keeps happening, especially in Shivakashi, in Virudhunagar district. Therefore, there's a lot of concern about the safety of workers engaged in this business. And the district collector too says a detailed inquiry will take place to ascertain what exactly went wrong.
Thank you, Shilpa, for giving us those details. Not the first time we are seeing this kind of incident coming from Tamil Nadu. The Chief Minister has announced a compensation of 4 lakh rupees to the family members of the deceased.